London's an amazing city. It's a good place to live and a great city to visit. People from all over the world live in London, and the city has over 14 million international visitors every year. So, what do visitors think of London?
My name is Gabriel. I'm from Brazil, and I like London because it's a really interesting and fun city.
My name is Andrea. I'm from Montreal, Quebec, Canada. I love London because it's an old city. It's so interesting and there's lots to learn.
My name is Wayne. I'm from the U.S. We're here on a vacation for about 3 weeks. I love London. It's a beautiful city.
So my name's Amber and I live in England, and my aunt is here on vacation and we've come to London for a few days.
My name's Peter. I'm Canadian. I'm a student over here and I like London because it's international.
There are over 200 museums and galleries in the city, and a lot of them are free. Visitors come from all over the world to see London's museums and galleries.
My name is Bill, and I'm from the United States, from Hilton Head, South Carolina. I'm visiting London for the 5th time, and there's always something to do in London. It has a great variety of culture and wonderful museums.
Hi, my name is Helen. I come from China. I love London because all the museums are free.
My name is Matt. I'm from Chicago. I'm a student in London, and I love the British Museum because of the interesting things there.
My name's Colleen. I'm from Vancouver, Canada. I'm here to see my friends. I love the Tate Modern because it's free.
The Tate Modern is an art gallery. It's near the River Thames. It's a really big building, and it has a lot of interesting modern art inside. There's a great view of the city from the restaurant. There's a lot to see and do in London. The city has a lot of beautiful old buildings.
My name is Elizabeth. I'm from Australia and I love Westminster Abbey.
Westminster Abbey, one of the world's great churches, is near Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament. The royal family live at Buckingham Palace. The palace is very big. Visitors like to watch the changing of the guard at Buckingham Palace.
My name's Tess, I'm a chef, I'm from Australia and I'm here for the good food.
Borough Market is near London Bridge. It's open 4 days a week and it's a great place to buy good food.
Hello, my name is Inês. I'm from France and I like the culture and the shopping in London.
London's great for shopping. But some of the shops are very expensive.
My name is Emilia. I am from Sweden. I live in London and I love London because of the different cultures, the music scene and the arts, and going to the theatre.
There are theatres all over London. London's very big and very busy, but it's easy to travel around the city. There are a lot of buses and taxis. There's the Underground. And bicycles too. But driving a car in London is difficult. The traffic is really bad. Some people don't really like the city.
My name's David. I live and work in London, but I don't like it here because it's very expensive and the weather's bad.
My name is Carmel. I'm from Manchester. I'm here to see my sister. I think London is very big and very expensive.
But a lot of people love London.
My name's Anid and I come from Morocco and I love all of London.
My name is Junior and I'm from Southampton and I like London because it's busy and there are lots of people and the buildings are nice.
I love it here in London. It is so beautiful. The buildings are so old. The people are very friendly. The culture, it's just amazing here.